me some birds. Yeah, boy, I'm gonna kill me some birds. What's the matter, Fuzzy boy? So that's what you're all upset about. You're stealing your bird seed. Meow, you rascals. I will make a meal out of a few of yous if I ever get you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You better hope I don't get out of this house. Meow, I say. Meow, Daddy, let me out. I've got a bird to kill. There's so many birds in so little time. Yum, 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 yum. Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Ah, there's one. Hello there, dinner. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. I'll make a meal out of some of you sooner or later. Alligator, yum, yum, yum.